A warm welcome to Bethlehem Matriculation Higher Secondary School online class, grade 11 English. So, the previous class I have completed Unit 3, Supplement Reader. First two part is completed. Now let us move on to the part 3, that is from page number 96. So, I hope you have understood the gist of the story, The First Patient, written by C.V. Burgess. Okay. So, this chapter is a very humorous and interesting one. So you all know that there is a characters, men 1 to 8, woman 1 to 8, dentist, nurse, little girl, what is her name? Dorothy. Small boy, what is his name? Maurice. Okay, so these many characters are there. So what is a special of C.V. Burgess writing is his stories, everything, there will be number of characters, many number of characters will be there. So you might have seen here, right? Okay, so in this, what is the scene starts with? Nurse is moving from one place to the other. The other people are waiting in the waiting room in front of the dentist room. Okay, so now they are waiting one by one. They are talking each other. When the dentist will come, they are discussing about that. And one person, woman 5, she always shows her photograph to others, right? So about this discussions we have seen. So one persons, they are moving out. Little boy Maurice and the mother, they are moving out because of there is little confusions they have because of the sounds. So the nurse, one time she is bringing hammer from one side to the other side. So this all the things makes the patients to become very sad. Okay, so they are discussing about this, but woman 5 alone shows the photograph often, right? This is the gist of the story. Okay, now let me move on to the next paragraph. Let me read and explain. Okay, take page number 96. So you have seen that the previous line, one by one they are moving out. So woman 7 also, she's woman 7 and the little girl, they both wanted to move out. So they are planning for that, right? So standing, exit man 2 and man 3. So now who is moving? Man 2 and man 3 also, they exit from the place. Woman 7, now see what you have done, Dorothy. You have chased those men away. Little girl, they are lucky. So now the woman 7, she is telling to her daughter, see Dorothy, because of your cry or because of your telling always afraid of this doctor, no, dentist, no. So only the men 3 and men 2, they have gone away from this place. They have went away from this place, she is telling. But little girl, what she is telling, they are lucky. As they are lucky, they don't want to meet this doctor, they are lucky and they have left the place. The little girl howls again. The nurse enters, this time with a hacksaw. So now the little girl again, she started to make a loud voice. But now this time the nurse is entering with a hacksaw. Saw means what is that? Which is used to cut wood, right? So that's saw. Okay, first she was carrying hammer. Next she was carrying pliers. Now she is carrying hacksaw. So one instrument which is not needed for the dentist, the nurse is carrying. So by seeing this, the patients will get afraid, right? So now this is happening here. Woman 1, oh Joe, he will never stand it. The sound of sawing always did put his teeth on edge. So woman 7, she started to cry, oh Joe, he cannot control the pain like that. She started to cry of his husband name, calling Joe, so that saw will make his teeth very bad. So she is afraid of that and she started to cry. Man 7, this time the saw will be on the edge of his teeth. So man 7 always he makes afraid of the other people, right? He will never, he want to make some comic, so he will be saying the difficult situations, something like this. So now he is telling that this time the saw is going to make the teeth, edge of the teeth a rude one. Something is going to make it. The saw is going to make something for the teeth like that. So woman 2, oh you horrible man. So you are always something talking about little horrible, right? So you are You are talking horrible. Man 7, can't I even make a joke? So man 7 actually he made a joke, but they felt afraid of this telling that Haxa is going to cut the teeth means it is little horrible, right? So he is telling, I said just a comic, but why you want to be afraid? And man 8, we need something to cheer us up. So only for making us happy, we have said like this. Woman 4, surely it is against the law for a dentist to use a saw like that. So it is not at all possible for the dentist to use saw. Saw is used only for cutting the tree, not to cut the tooth. So she is telling it is not at all possible. The sound of violent sobbing is heard from the surgery. Man 4 groans loudly. Groans means what? Crying. So now again there is a violent sound from the surgery room. They could not be able to hear that sounds like that. Violent sounds they was able to hear. So at the same time, man 4, usually man 4 what he will be doing? Always he will be telling his pain and he will be crying. He will be keeping his hand in his jaw and he will be crying, right? So the same actions. So from the starting from the scene till now, all the pages we have seen what man 4 is doing. He started to cry again. So woman 1, oh no Joe, no Joe. So woman 1 also she is telling, she is talking about her husband Joe. Woman 1 makes a dash for the door but is prevented from opening it by woman 2 and woman 6. So again woman 1 is always trying to move near to the dentist room, the door, no? So near to that she is going to dash like that, she is moving, but woman 2 and woman 6 is trying to prevent her from that dash. So what they are doing, they are pulling her back and they are making her to sit there. So woman 3, you really must control yourself. So woman 3 is advising woman 1 to, you should control yourself, you don't worry about that. Woman 2, that dear, I am sure it is not as bad as it sounds. So woman 2 is telling, as we could hear a bad sound, no, that much bad things will never happen in that room, in the dentist room, nothing will happen. So you don't get afraid for that. They placed woman 1 back in her seat. So now they caught her, woman 1, and they made her to sit in the place. Woman 1, I am not waiting to find out, I have heard enough. Woman 3, I prefer to keep my toothache. So woman 1 is not able to wait at the place. She could not hear the sound enough. She could not wait again and near the same place. So woman 3 also what she is telling is, she is telling, I could hear, I am ready to bear my pain. Toothache is I could bear. Woman 4, so I do, me too. Those pliers would never fit my mouth anyway. It is better than being murdered anyway. So what woman 4 is telling, she is telling the pliers it is not able to fit in my mouth. So I am wanted to escape from this situation. So better than keeping the pliers in my tooth, let me die. That is let they murder me. Let the murder is better than keeping the pliers on my tooth. So now standing there, exit woman 3, woman 4 and woman 6. So by all these situations what they are doing, woman 3 and woman 4 and woman 6, they started to move from the place. So already we have seen woman 4 and many other men, everyone what they had do, they was doing, they started to move away from the dentist room. So now other women also, woman 3, woman 4, woman 6 also, they are trying to go out of the place. So man 7, just watch them go, covers every one of them. So every people they are afraid of the dentist and they are moving. So they are all covered. So covered means calling, right? So woman 2, it is all very well you talking this way. You don't seem to have any nerves at all. So woman 2 is telling, always you are talking like this, something horrible, right? You don't have feel any nervous at all. You don't feel afraid at all. Everything is happening like you are talking, everything is like horrible one. We are afraid of that, but you are very happy to say that. Man 7, this is nothing to some of the things I have heard of. I could tell you things that would make your hair stand on end. There was once. So he started to tell some other things. Always he was talking horrible, but he says there is some other things also telling much horrible things. So what will happen if he says the horrible things? What will happen? The hair stands on the end. That is a dangerous, little more nervous one he is going to tell. So he started, there was once. So when he started, the woman 2 is telling, I am sure we don't want to hear it. So the woman 2 is not ready to hear about the sound. My hair is standing on end already. So already she is nervous. She is very afraid. So already when she is afraid, she don't want to hear one more thing from him. The song is heard again, even louder and harsher this time. Woman 1 wails and man 4 groans. So now again the song sounds, it is a little more louder than the previous one. It is able to hear. So woman 1, what she is doing, usual way, she is crying for the husband too, and woman 4 also is crying because of the pain. So this is the same thing is happening again and again. Woman 5, don't you want to see any more of my holiday photos? Woman 5, usually what she used to do, photos, right? So when she is telling about the photos, they exist man 8. So who is moving? Man 8 is moving out of that place. Well, really, how rude. And woman 5 moves to woman 7. So there is no other persons. Everybody, they went away. They are moving one by one. They are moving out. So woman 5 wanted to show the photographs to someone who is there. So she is moving from her place to the other place where woman 7 is sitting. That place she is moving. Would you like to see some of my holiday photos? So woman 7, she is asking whether you are ready to see my photos. Woman 7, well, I don't really. So woman 7 is not interested to see the photos. Woman 5, now don't be shy. Now this one is bit blood, but down in the corner you can see my sister-in-law's little boy. So you don't be shy to see my photographs, everything, but this photograph I will show you. This photograph is blurred. Blurred means which is not much clear. Okay, so that photograph she is able to show that. So in the blurred one, that is which is not clear one, the downside she could show one person who is that sister-in-law's little boy. They can see that is she wanted to the photograph she wanted to show to woman 7. So next one. Woman 7 takes off the offered photograph reluctantly and looks at it vacantly. So she is not much interested to look into the photograph. So just for namesake she was looking into that photograph. The surgery door opens and the dentist enters. He looks very hot and bothered. He stands in the doorway. So when she was looking into that photograph vacantly, the surgery door opens and who is coming? The dentist is entering into that, and he looks very hot. There is something is not interested to sit in that place, the dentist room. He came out and stood in the doorway. Dentist, I am fed up with this. I am off to get someone who knows something about the job. So the dentist, when he is coming out, what he is saying? I am fed up with this job. I wanted to send someone who knows this job better. So who knows this job better? Dentist means what they will be doing? They will be taking the teeth, right? So he is coming out and he is telling that who knows this job better, I will send them, like that he is telling. So already the people who is sitting are waiting in the dentist room, all are afraid, right? For what reason? They could hear continuous sounds from the hacksaw, hammer sound, these all the things they could hear. But now the doctor is coming and saying like this, they better person to take care of this job is some other person, means the other persons little more they got afraid. The dentist runs across the stage and exits left. So the dentist, what he is doing, through at the left side he went away. For a moment woman 2, man 4 and woman 5 sit gaping. Then woman 1 wails as woman 2, woman 7 and the little girl stand and make for the door left. So now again they were sitting in giving some gap, and they were sitting. So one by one they started to woman 1 is crying, woman 2 and woman 7 and the little girl, everyone, they started to go out near to the door, to the left door. They wanted to move out. Man 7, this is the end, I am off. So man 7 is telling, so till now he was waiter and he could not wait more, so he is telling I am also going to move out. So you can, most of the persons, they went out. There are cries of me too, so am I, here I go, etc. And all except woman 1 and woman 5 go out in a hurry. So when man 7 is telling I am going to go off, the other persons also they cries. Cries means here it is telling says. Okay. So says meaning only cries also it will come. So they are telling me too. So I am also ready to come. So am I. So am I also. I am also will be coming with you, along with you. Here I go. I am moving. So each one persons they said and they started to move away from that place. But woman 1 and woman 5 they was and woman 5 go out in a hurry. They alone, they were sitting there. The others, everyone, they started to go out. Woman 5, well, really people are very rude. Woman 5 looks at the wailing woman 1. What is the matter, my dear? So from the starting until the end, we are talking about woman 1. What she is doing? She is crying about her husband Joe. But till now, she was not listening about the cry. She don't know what reason the woman is crying. Each and every line we have seen, the woman 1 is crying for her husband Joe. But woman 5 is asking, what happened? What is the reason you are crying? Okay, so till now she doesn't bother about woman 1. She doesn't bother about the cry of the woman 1. So woman 1 is telling, it is Joe, poor Joe, goodness knows what state he is now. So only God knows that what state the poor Joe is in now. So whether it is hurted or he is crying or what happened, we don't know. Woman 5, Joe, who is Joe and what is the matter with him? So she is asking what is the matter with the Joe. Woman 1, I am afraid to go in. I am afraid to look. Joe is my husband and that awful dentist has been working on him. He is in there. So what? Joe is inside the dentist room and that awful dentist, what he is doing? He is working with my husband's tooth. So that is a very horrible one. I cannot go and see that. Woman 1 points to the surgery. So she is showing the surgery room and she is telling about Joe is inside. Woman 5, well, I don't suppose he has to come to any harm. So woman 5 is telling, consoling herself that nothing is going to happen to your husband, so you don't worry. Woman 5 sits beside woman 1. So woman 5, what she is doing? Beside means near to her, she is sitting and I tell you what, dear, you need cheering up. So you wanted to be happy. You don't worry about your husband. Now your time is to be happy. Here, you just have a look at my holiday photos. They are ever so cheerful. So don't sit and cry often thinking of Joe inside the dentist room. This is the time for you to cheer up. So what you have to do, see my holiday photos like that. She started to show her photographs to woman 1. And be cheerful by seeing this. Woman 1 breaks into fresh jobs. Fresh job means little the cry was reduced, but again when she was trying to show the photographs, she started a new cry. Okay, again she started to have a fresh sobs. Woman 5, oh dear me, where is that very amusing one? So woman 5 is telling, finding that where my photograph, the holiday photograph, where it is like that, she started to search. I must have lost it. Yes, it will probably be over there. So I might have lost somewhere because I came from that place to here, no? So I might have lost them. Woman 5 walks across to her previous position and starts looking for the last photograph. Woman 1 continues sobbing. Enter woman 1 from the surgery room. So woman 5, what she is doing? She started to go and search the photograph from the other place. But woman 1, she was crying, and who is entering now? Man 1 is entering from the dentist room, surgery room. Man 1, why? Whatever is the matter, Emily? So now you might have seen what is the woman 1. Emily is the name of woman 1, right? Now only they are introducing the name of woman 1, that is Joe's wife. Okay, so Emily is her name. So man is 1 is asking, what is the matter? What is happening? Why you are all crying like that? To her wife Emily, he is asking. Woman 1, Joe, are you all right? So she is asking whether you are all right. Let me look at you, Joe. So now very happily, because Joe is alive and he is standing there. Even there was a lot of hammering sounds, everything. Joe came properly, right? Man 1, of course, I am all right. Why shouldn't I be all right? So why you are afraid of me? Why I should not be all right? I am all right now. Why you are asking this question to me like that? He is asking. Woman 1, but Joe, all that hammering and sawing. So she is telling, because of the hammering and sawing sounds only I am asking, are you all right? So whether anything happened because of that. Man 1, oh that was only the dentist trying to force open his instrument cabinet. So now he is telling that. So till now we have seen again and again their dialogues, everything. Now there is a changes is going to happen in the story. So what is that? the hammering sounds and the sawing sounds, everything from where they could hear. That is the instrument, everything. The doctor used to keep it in one's cupboard, no, right? That cabin, right? So that they was trying to open, they was forced to open that cabinet. So they was, when they was trying to open, they was able to hear the hammering sounds and sawing sounds, right? Woman 1, his cabinet, you are talking about his cabinet. Man 1, yes, you see he lost the key. So the cabinet key the doctor has lost. So they was trying to open the cabinet. Woman 1, so he has not done anything to you, Joe. So woman 1 still more surprised and she's asking, the doctor has not done anything towards your teeth. Man 1, no, not a thing, and I can't wait any longer this morning. I have made an appointment with him for this evening instead. The nurse gave me some pills to deaden the pain in the meantime. So man 1 is telling, till now I was waiting in the place, so still I cannot wait. I am fed up with that. I am tired of waiting there. So what he is going to do? He made an appointment to come at the evening and see the doctor. So at this moment the nurse gave me some pills. Pills means tablet to reduce the pain. Okay, so I will come and meet at the evening. Woman 1, oh Joe, I was so upset. So woman 1 is telling, till now I was very upset, so I couldn't bear at all. Man 1, well, it is all right now, Emily, so let's go. So no problem, it is nothing has happened. So let me move on to our house. So woman 1 and man 1 go out left. A moment later, the nurse enters from the surgery. She is walking across the stage. When the dentist enters left, the dentist is waving a key. So woman 1 and woman 2 went away from the plate. So after some time, the nurse enters from the surgery. She is walking across the stage here and there. So when the dentist enters left, the dentist is waving a key. So the dentist brought a key now. So till now they was trying to forced to open the cabinet with the hacksaw, hammering, everything they was trying. But now he is waving a key in his hand. Dentist, I found it, believe it or not, but it was under the telephone directory. What an awful waste of time. So he is showing the key and he is telling, believe it or not, because this key was there under the telephone directory. For telephone numbers, everything, one book will be there, no, to find that. So under the directory, this key was hidden. So I didn't notice. So this much time we have made the effort, everything become a waste of time, right? So the people, everyone, they was waiting outside and they was confused and they started to, by hearing the sounds, they confused, and what they done? Everyone, they left out from the place. Now they got the dentist got the key also. And what happened? Now there is no more patients outside. Okay, only one patient is waiting, because the last 2 patients, man 1 and woman 1 also, they made an appointment at the evening and they also went away. So now it is happening. So nurse, I am afraid the first patient couldn't wait. The first patient couldn't wait till more. So however, he made an appointment for this evening. So the first patient made an appointment for the evening and he went away. Dentist, fair enough, I will take the next patient. So then don't want to wait for the first patient because he made an appointment at the evening. And so now I will be calling the next patient. So from there they are calling next patient. Dentist goes into the surgery. Nurse turns to woman 5 who is still looking at her photograph. So dentist is going into the surgery room. The nurse is looking into the other patient. There is she was expecting many patients, but who was there? Only woman 5 alone, she was waiting there, but still she was looking to the photographs. Nurse, now madam, the dentist is ready. So now she is telling to woman 5, the dentist is ready. Woman 5 looks up. Woman 5, do you mean me, miss? Like that, she's asking a question, do you mean me? So because no other persons are there, the next, my chance came or not, like that, she's asking to the nurse, do you mean me? I have to go for the next patient. So nurse, yes, would you step into the surgery, please? So the nurse is asking the woman 5 to go inside the surgery room. Nurse goes into the surgery. Woman 5, dear me, that long queue did move quickly, didn't it? So now she's moving into that and she's asking, that was a long queue, right? She doesn't know what happened at all. They got afraid, they talked to each other. There's nothing she was noticing. She was listening only to her photographs. So even the long queue, they don't want to see the dentist and they went away, even she doesn't No. So she was surprised to see that long queue has gone away and she was ready to move. Woman 5 follows the nurse into the surgery, so the curtain falls. So woman 5 follows the nurse into the surgery room, and what happened? The curtain falls. So what is the story now? So from the starting to till the end, they was hearing the hammering sounds, sawing sounds. These all the things they could hear, and what they was having a doubt in that, because the dentist is going to use the pliers, hammering everything, and they was afraid, and the small boy, little girl and small boy, everyone, they started to cry and they started to move away from the place, right? But what happened? Who is not at noticed anything, did not bother about the surrounding, what is happening. She was waiting there and she went and met the doctor at the last moment. Okay, so now what is happening is this is things. Okay, so from this we can understand that assumption leads to confusion, right? So whenever we feels by the hearing sounds or something, we get confused that something is going to happen wrong. But what is the actual the doctor has done? He has closed his cabinet and he wanted to open that. He used the pliers, but not in the teeth of the patient, but they was afraid. Okay, so this is the story of the first patient. So first patient Joe has entered into the dentist room. So he was waiting there, and out of that, woman 1, she was crying, and you might have seen woman 5's activities also. Okay, so now this is the lesson gets over with this. Okay, so now let me go for reading the glossary lesson. So I hope you have understood this story, and from this you will get essay, rearranging, and this all. Let me read the glossary and let me complete it. Okay, listen that. First one, groaning. Groaning means crying in pain, dreadful, extremely bad, ice lollies, flavored ice or ice cream on a stick, veiny tongue, small pull, gas, that is anesthesia, scream, a very funny thing, ferrying, carrying, cure, strange, writhing, twisting the body from side to side, agony, severe pain, sulking, being sad or silent, blood, hazy, not clear. Okay, so hope you have understood this story, and complete the book back exercise from the page number 99, that is filling the blanks is given. So the next page also they have given the characters, what you have understood, the play, what are the settings, characters, climax, this all the things is given. So complete that. Next vocabulary also is given, complete writing the answers. Okay, read it and find from the dictionary. Okay, so from this you will be getting the questions from what is given in the match the following is given in the page number 101 vocabulary. So you will get that questions also from the half-yearly examination. All the book back exercise you will get except the grammar part. The vocabulary items, everything you will get for the half-yearly examination. Be prepared and write well. So thank you students, we will meet in the next class.